right, well, as y'all seen, as y'all seen, Dede just got his car, and he's gonna stay here, and they're gonna give it to him. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I wanted to wait to get him, like to record him leaving in his new car, but we got stuff to do. But I really wanted to wait for him. I said wait like 10 minutes. See what happens.
Yes. And I'm gonna park it. I'm gonna park it like backwards.
Yeah.
Just.
We're parking like weirdos sitting right here waiting for him.
Yes.
But I want to make sure he leaves out of this dealership. Like I want to see him get in his car. He's happy. He really, really liked the car. As y'all seen the car. It's a really, really nice little small car. So I'm happy for him. I know he can't wait to get in that car.
Yeah, he's been dirt cheap too. I'm with.
Oh, we can test drive it? Get it, baby. Get on that side.
We got probably breaking shit.
My Disney family, okay? So let's start off with parent number one.
Yeah, you just sent me right now, man.
So I guess
Said,
I'm
man,
clearly a mouse, you know, whatever. Moving on from that,
control your
you better
business,
be with
you
Mickey Mouse, though.
control
You're like,
mine,
Mickey Mouse
man.
girl, are you a cheater? Are you a cheater?
He said the doors closed buggy PC door. He's on my foot and grab that right now. We ain't doing it. Load that window down. Is your car turn it off? You want to turn it off? You know. That would look nice. I like the whole look. I like the lights. It looks nice.
Exactly, baby. It's not strapped back, it's just going there eating.
This nigga wants snack.
We're here at Volkswagen getting Wiggy a car. That's gonna be Wiggy's car right there. That red one.
Got it already.
What? You got the papers now?
Got it already. Hey, I'm telling you.
Well, I think they're cleaning it because they just took it. I think they're cleaning it. Wiggy, I'm gonna stay here with you. Just take me home.
Take you home?
Hmm?
Take you home, you said?
Just tell the Papa's room right there.
I'm gonna have to definitely drive this thing around today.
Yeah, it's a.